Okay, welcome back to the next video. This one's a bit different. It's a bit of a Heath Robinson effort. Uh, Another custom built computer, but unfortunately the computer case has been delayed. So rather than hanging about and waiting to put everything together, I figured that maybe I can build the computer outside the box. So what I've done, I've got built the motherboard already. You've seen that in another video. I'm using a anti-static mat, hence these yellow connectors at each end. I've got a wrist strap on, so I'm all earthed. I've got a power supply attached to it, which is this, and I'm going to carry out the first boot on this computer, which will hopefully appear on screen, and basically set the computer up. From there. Again, like in another video, I've cloned the old computer to this new hard drive. So we'll see what happens. So what I've got some switches and lights and a speaker in place because a beeper will tell me if it's posted okay. Got a power light and a power button. And yeah, I just need to connect a network cable to it. So hold it there and lock it in. Right, okay, so all power is on. So let's see what happens. Ooh, good, fans are running. Hopefully we'll get something on screen, given a little bit of time. First start's always terrifying. And there we go. It is working. So just go through the normal setup process. Hit F1. Grab the right mouse. So what do we want? We want the advanced mode. And we want advanced. Switch on the firmware TPM. And then set the boot to secure boot. And there's UEFI mode. Exit that. And hopefully when I do this it will start booting to Windows. So drum roll. Let's see what happens. Oh, I had a beep. It rather looks like it may not be quite as easy as last time. Let's see. Ooh, there's something's happening. Yep. System's all coming up. Again, Windows doing the watching paint dry bit. And what have we got? Another restart. Right, fingers crossed. And there we go. We have a desktop. So yeah, just a short little video. I've now got to go through all the joys of setting the computer up and all that malarkey, getting all the new drivers on and things like that. But yeah, that's bit different little video, so you can actually build a computer outside its case if you get the right bits and pieces. Um, and yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button and consider subscribing. until the next one.